Hey guys, I always get asked which one is better, small, medium, or large club. Okay, well, my answer is to that. Depends on your skill level, your time in the seduction community, your level of collaboration. Usually a large club. I'm gonna use South Florida examples, which since everybody in the world at one point or another have heard or been to South Florida. A large club is more ideal for guys that are newer. That means less than a year doing cold approach, not online. I'm talking about cold approach. Okay, approaching total strangers with less than a 50 lay count. Okay, so those guys are more likely to do a numbers game. Okay? Numbers game means that they go from one girl to another to another to another. So a large club, for example, in South Florida club space, that can have anywhere from let's say 1,200 to like 5,000 people. Is more ideal. The reason is that he's less likely to develop a bad reputation and burn the place down. Okay, so that's more ideal for a newer guy. Okay, and one thing about the large clubs is better to show up early because the lines are huge and they're also a little bit expensive. Okay, and you need to dress nice because the bouncers are a little bit strict. Okay. A medium club is a club that has anywhere from 500 people to 1,200. A good sample is Club Live (LIV) in South Florida. Okay. Again, just like the large club, that's Club Live right there. Just like the large club, is better for newer guys that do more of a number type game approach. Okay. Now, the advantage of again, one of the advantages is that also in a large club is more different type of women. Okay, more variety of women. Okay, medium and large clubs have that advantage. Okay, a small club is better for guys that are a little bit advanced. Okay, they have the game down, the seduction down, cold approach down, over 50 lay count. The reason is because those guys are less likely to burn down a venue. Instead of burning down a venue, they can take over a venue. They also can become a regular. Okay, they can become a regular, and they can get in free by becoming a regular. That's an example of small club in South Beach. In a famous one is Mango's, Punch Shop, the was off the hookah. Okay, those are small clubs. Okay, a Blue Martini, Dirty Martini, things like that. Okay, the small clubs, the advantage again, the disadvantage is that less women to pick from, and once you become a regular, you are gonna eventually run out of women because you may have banged a girl and they are all. You run out of, like, you keep seeing the same gear, so that may be a problem. And another problem is that you may encounter clingers and stalkers and are more likely to run into women you've been with. Okay, again, sometimes the disadvantage is less women to choose from, but again, you can gain celebrity type status by becoming a regular, going in free, taking over the crowd. So sometimes people think that I own some of the small venues, But anyways, the disadvantage is there are not less women to choose from. Like the last couple of weeks, I'm going out, nothing that I like, so it sucks, man. It sucks. So that's my recommendation. I go to right now to 3 smaller clubs. I get in free. I'm a regular, and I take over the crowds. That's how I'm doing right now. Okay, but large clubs can be fun. Alright guys, that's what I got. I'm redoing all these videos because taking YouTube to the caption, so I don't want people to think, what the fuck is these videos with no captions and what is this about, So I'm remaking the video. Like, subscribe, get the book. Okay, if you don't like it guys, I'm not for everybody. You can check my next vlog because the right one is the rest of it. Try to stop this and come on anyway so I can tell you to get the fuck out in a second. Hurry up skills. Get the fuck out. No, that was awful. I think it's not. Wait. Get the fuck out.